Groundwork supplies rotary drilling rigs that are ideal for most piling work. The rotary drill is a low overhead, extended reach rotary drill. This drill is designed as an attachment that bolts onto your excavator. It can drill up to 1,200 mm in diameter and up to 10 meters in depth. The rotary boom fits to a range of machines from 8 to 13 ton. The Kelly bar can be fitted with a drill bucket auger or ADTH hammer for rock drilling. A range of powerful drills can drive augers or drills to over 60 meters deep. These machines are built for long service life in the harshest conditions. Thank you for watching this video.